Students, now we will solve exercise on mirror images. So the first example is dream, DREM, and the mirror is placed this side. Always we have to assume the mirror is at the right side. So the answer is MAER and D. Okay, so here the answer is 3. Okay, next is news. Next example is news. So see, news is, this is SWE and N. Okay, so the answer is 1. Next question is jealous. So this is SUOLEAE and J. So the answer is 4. Next is 31256. 31258. Okay, so here the mirror image is 8 6 5 2 1 3. Okay, so this is the mirror image. So the answer is this 4. Then next question is rotate the mirror image by 90° clockwise. So this is the mirror image. If we rotate it clockwise, okay, so if we rotate it clockwise, the mirror then the figure is like this. So the answer is 2. Next, this sixth figure, rotate the mirror image 90° anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is the mirror image and we have to rotate it anti-clockwise. So the answer is this. So it will rotate in this direction. So the answer is this. Okay, next is rotate the mirror image 90% clockwise. So this is the mirror image. If we rotate it 90% clockwise, then the resultant figure is this. Okay, so the answer is 4. Next is rotate the mirror image of the given clock 90% clockwise and the time will be. Okay, so this is the figure and the time shown is 10:30. So in the mirror image it shows 12:30 minus 12 minus 10:30 means 1:30. Okay, 1 and 6, 1:30. Okay, and if we rotate it in clockwise direction in 90°, okay, so it is, this arrow is here, this arrow is here, so it shows the time it shows the time 4:45. See, shows the time 4:45. The answer is 1. Then time. So rotate the mirror image by 90 degree clockwise. So this is time, and I M EMIT. Okay, if we rotate it clockwise in 90 degree, so the resultant figure is EMI and T. Okay, so this is time. So this is how we have to solve the problem. So thank you so much.